Hello everyone, myself Dr. Omkar Sonone, Faculty of Surgery at AFMG, and I'm glad to welcome on board three successful graduates who recently cleared their foreign medical graduate examination in the recently conducted July attempt. So first of all, I would like to welcome Dr. Manisha, Dr. Ishwaki, and Dr. Bhumika. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all on behalf of Team AFMG. And secondly, I would like you all to introduce yourself. So let's go one by one. Dr. Bhumika.
यस सर सर मैंने किर्गिज स्टेट मेडिकल एकेडमी बिश्केक से ग्रेजुएट किया और ये मेरा लाइक थर्ड अटेम्प्ट के बाद फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट में मैं पास आउट हो गई फाइनली एंड सर मैंने आपका QRS एंड अपना TND सेशन ज्वाइन किया था एंड उसमें सर आपने मुझे जो हेल्प की है ना मैं बहुत हेल्पफुल था वो मतलब जब भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आता था सर मेरे को ये नहीं आ रहा है तो सर आपने बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे उस चीज़ में मतलब लाइक टाइम टू टाइम सब समझाना प्लस कभी एंग्जाइटी वगैरह हो जाए तो उसके लिए भी समझाना तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा मतलब बहुत बेनिफिशियल था मेरे लिए वो
That was all my pleasure, no issues. Dr. Ishwaki.
Um, Hi, my name is Ikshwaki. I graduated from David Tuldiani Medical University in Georgia. And I don't know, since when I'm with AFMG, but I don't remember. I joined while I was not even in the country. So I was doing the online batch, then I did hybrid, then I had eligibility certificate issues, and I kept continuing with AFMG. So finally managed to pass the exam with decent scores, and the pass rate was low, but thankfully it all fell in place. So very thankful.
Great. Dr. Manisha.
Hello, I am Manisha Roy. I did my MBBS from Southern Medical University and I joined the TND session and QRS session and I did surgery, pediatrics and many subjects from AFMG. And sir, I cannot say you really what happened exam day, but you remember that the day before exam, you, Vikas sir and everyone conducted the meeting that how we need to deal with the pressure and everything. So that really helped me a lot. And in the exam day, I literally I was suffering with 25 questions which were like I could not I don't know how I could not remember the question even, and which happened with me in my first section itself. But after that also you said that 300 questions we need to clear it, and 150 is the passing marks. That was just ringing in my head, and I just did it. And my second paper was well, but my first paper was not that well, but still I did it. And thank you sir so much.
Pleasure
Thank
is
you
all
so
mine.
much sir.
So first of all, I would like to know basically that how was your initial preparations. So let's talk about Dr. Ishwaki. I would like to begin with you. How did you begin your preparations basically, and what was the initial plan and strategy basically when you began?
So honestly, my initial plan was something that actually backfired because I thought my basics were good because I was preparing for USMLE before, and I thought all my basics are okay. But later on, I got to know that has to have different approach. No matter if you're preparing for the hardest exam in the world, but nobody teaches you PSM, nobody teaches you forensic, and if you're missing onto those subjects, there's no way you can clear this exam. So initially, I was all over the place. One of the biggest challenges with me, as I also told you and Vikas sir, was it was hard for me to sit in class for like 8 to 10 hours. That was a huge challenge. Somehow over time, then I did it, I followed. And one strategy is to trust your sources and trust your teachers. And once I started doing that, it all started falling in place.
Great. So Dr. Bhumika, how was your approach? How did you begin your preparation this time basically? I know it would have been difficult earlier, but this batch definitely, how did you cope up?
सर जैसे आपने मुझे बोला था कि TND एंड जैसे मतलब जो पहले पढ़ा है उसी को कंटिन्यू करना है लाइक तो मैंने वही किया पुराने जो नोट्स थे उसी को कंटिन्यू किया और बस मैंने चेंजेस जो किए मैंने सर्जरी आपका किया आपने जो टीच किया था प्लस मैंने बायोकेमिस्ट्री भी आप ही का किया था और ENT भी आप ही का किया था तो बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट तो खैर जो पहले से नोट्स थे उसका किया एंड टीएनडी आप अपना टीएनडी जो था वो पूरा क्यूआरएस सेशन पूरा मतलब लाइक रट डाला था पूरा क्यूआरएस सेशन और अपने 3 सब्जेक्ट। मेरे को तो लगता है मेरे को उसी ने बचा लिया है।
Pleasure completely. Dr. Manisha, how did you start your preparations this time, and what was the approach initially?
So this time, the different thing I did was my TND sessions. I did everything whatever you taught in the TND. And sir, for pathology TND, I did for 1 month. I completed everything for the pathology TND which you taught. Means everything I remember for that, because I thought my TND for pathology was not good. I did that and did Preeti ma'am's one, and that was okay. And I did TND QRS, and QRS was with me till I was wiping my tears and doing it even in the exam break. Also, I was seeing my ops gynae TND notes, because you said that okay, see the ops gynae. I was just seeing that. I completed my QRS ops gynae before the going for my second paper also. So thank
Great. My pleasure. So first of all, my question would be, like I know a lot of people they actually struggle while they begin their preparations. So usually, I definitely know that Ishwaki had some personal issues as well. So how did you cope up with that, and was it difficult? I absolutely know it would have been difficult. So how did you cope up with that?
So well, my personal issues would be big for some people, and it might be like a very casual thing for us. So basically, I came up to you and told you my dog met with an accident and all of that, and I also got gastroenteritis, and I lost a lot of days because of that whole scenario, and I was not home, so my parents were coping with it alone. My mom was alone, and there was so much going on. But the three people that I would just walk up to, and I am even embarrassed when I messaged you. But I was like, I have to let it out, and I have to like tell someone it was you, Dr. Sandeep and Vikas sir, obviously. So I would just be like, I went to Dr. Sandeep's rapid revision, and I was crying, as Manisha said, like reading QRS and crying. That was exactly what I was doing. I would cry, wash my face, go to the library, study, and then be like, okay, fine. So Sandeep sir said something. He was like, just imagine, what if your dog gets all fine but you don't pass the exam, like just. And that was something that really made me so scared. And then I would just send you, it was so silly of me, like I would send you pictures and be like, sir, is this going to be okay? And you were like, yeah, if the antibiotics, like I was asking a surgeon if something that is supposed to be with the vet is going to be okay. But none of you made me feel silly. You were all reassuring me like it's okay, just try to focus, keep studying, and it's fine. Even Vinayak sir would be like, just bas padho, abhi padho, is time pe kuch mat socho, bas padho. And it worked. So I coped up with all of that. And the idea is we've come so far. So towards the end, nothing should, let you back off. And for myself, I gave this chance as a do or die chance. Like, agar ab nahi hoga, to kabhi bhi nahi hoga. Because that loop is very scary. The 140s loop, 145, 147, 149. It's very scary. And it was too much for me. So I was like, now I have to get it done. And that helped me.
Great. Bhumika, I wanted to know, basically, I know it would have been very tough to cope up initially. तो जब पहले अपनी बात हुई थी, I know you were too much anxious. So इस बार कैसे मैनेज की एंजाइटी, बिकॉज दैट्स द बिगेस्ट इशू मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव. तो इस बार एंजाइटी मैनेज कैसे करी?
सर एंजाइटी तो जब भी होती थी मैं आप ही को पहला मैसेज करती कि सर मेरे को नहीं हो रहा है करके, तो आप मेरे को जैसे गाइड करते थे कि टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड ऑल. सो बस उसी के हिसाब से सब कर रही थी. एंड आपको याद होगा एग्जाम का पार्ट 1 होने के बाद मैंने आपको मैसेज किया था कि सर ऐसा तो हो गया है मेरा, अब क्या करूं मैं आगे, मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है. तो आपने जैसे मुझे बताया था कि अभी आगे का मत सोचना, जे एग्जाम में जाना सब याद आएगा. बस सर वही चीज वही दिमाग में लेके गई, हो गया, पास भी हो गई.
Great. So Manisha, I've been observing you since your last days. So definitely, एक चीज थी, you had a lot of nervousness, a lot of questions basically. तो कैसे manage हुई सब चीजें? Because I've seen you getting too much anxious and too much nervous even during TNDs. तो कैसे manage हुई
So
चीजें?
even in my exam day, I was nervous, and everything means that nervousness only broke me very much in exam day also. But sir, one thing I used to do, you said that just remember your parents. I was just remembering remembering that and I was chanting my prayers. I don't know, but it sounds very silly, but I think you should chant Hanuman Chalisa or anything which is, you feel that is religious for you. I was just chanting Hanuman Chalisa for many times. That was giving me a kind of strength, because at that time I was very anxious, because 25 questions just going like that in the first section, it was just I was like, how will I go out and show my face to my parents? How will I face them? How will I face the world? But then also I was like chanting the prayers and I was saying that everything will be all right. So I think that chanting of prayers really help a lot, and you should just remember your parents, remember your teachers, and remember that okay, everything will be fine. Sab acha hoga, and sab acha hi hota hai. Shayad positivity gives a lot of energy to us. Just
That,
that's all.
that's true. Optimism definitely works. Dr. Ishwaki, this time definitely, what was your plan? Like, did you attend classes or definitely you were revising by yourself? And how did you manage your time between the theory part and the MCQ part this time?
So, sir, I definitely attended classes, and this time I attended them very diligently. I try, would not say so. If I could not go to class in person, I would do them online, and then I would make sure I attempt. Okay, like I do whatever I can, whatever was being done in coaching. So I did that. Also, my parents know कि अगर मैं घर पे रहूंगी तो मैं पूरा दिन waste कर दूंगी in the name of self study. So my dad was like, you have to join coaching, like no matter what, you have to go there, sit there. And even you said that, like every time anyone came to you for advice, you said if you're someone who can sit in one place, then you can do self prep. If you cannot, then you should join coaching again and again, like no matter what. And that works. So I joined coaching, and Dr. Vikas would always say, "Ke, just go home, and even if you're doing it bina man ke, just revise. Whatever is being taught, just revise it the same day." That helped a lot. And MCQs are absolutely a game changer. Personally, I targeted for 10,000 MCQs throughout a span of like 6 months, and it worked pretty well for me. Of course, exam came out of nowhere. It was crazy. After first part, I felt it's over. कि नहीं निकलेगा. I was like that. And then Vinayak sir was in the bus and he said, "Bhai, first part हुआ भूल जाओ. Now prepare for the second one." And although it's like not one rule for every time, but this exam is made usually such कि first part is harder than the second one. So in fact, I did so many silly mistakes in the first part. If I was able to control my nerves, I would have scored better. I did really a lot of silly mistakes, but again, it's all done and it's all sorted. But yeah, MCQs, revising it the same day, and going to classes diligently. And one more thing, we tend to judge teachers like ये वाले सर तो अच्छे नहीं है, ये वाले बेटर है. Like I am guilty of that too कि भाई बैनर में ये वाले सर देखे थे, ये कौन टीचर है. But बैठ जाओ उस टाइम पे, just sit. Like this happened, we were expecting one teacher for a subject, super excited, सब लोग पहुंच गए नहा धो के excited कि अरे आज पूरा दिन ये पढ़ेंगे. And then they were like, अरे वो वाली मैम नहीं आने वाली है, we are changing. And the teacher who came was actually better than that ma'am, because that teacher, I saw her lessons, and they were okay. So like rather than judging, just take whatever you're being provided, because at the end of the day, teachers come and deliver and go, and it's your hard work. Obviously, like not that they just come and deliver, they put in their efforts, but what you do makes the bigger difference. Like even if, for example, you teach all 19 subjects, still nobody can pass if they don't revise what you're teaching.
That's true.
So that's that. Like I was MCQs, although if there's one thing, it was MCQs, like which saved me. Because if you're doing like 10,000, the chances of them repeating increases.
Right.
So that's that.
Great. You have done huge number of MCQs, and that definitely helps. And secondly, as you rightly said, that don't judge a book by its cover. So that is actually very important. So, Dr. Bhumika, this time, how much time for MCQs? How much time for revisions? First reading कितने time में खत्म करी? Definitely revisions कितने दिए? तो क्या plan था इस बार?
सर जैसे स्टार्टिंग में मैंने सारे लाइक PSM, OBGY, सर्जरी एंड मेडिसिन, ये मैंने मेन सब्जेक्ट के लाइक एक बार रीड किया. एंड उसके बाद फिर जैसे मैंने पहले डैम्स लिया था, तो फिर मैंने उसका DFX जो नोट्स थे, तो उसके साथ हिसाब से मैंने मेन नोट्स एंड DFX दोनों मिला के मैंने फ्लिप फ्लॉप करके उसका एक रिवीजन किया. और उसके बाद फिर अपने TND वाले क्वेश्चंस एंड उसके नोट्स लिटरली मैंने उसके प्रिंट आउट निकाल के सामने रख दिए थे कि मेरे को इसको रखना है पहले. तो मैंने पूरे टीएनडी को मतलब एक बार मेन का हो गया, उसके बाद मैंने मेन को हाथ ही नहीं लगाया। फिर मैंने जो शॉर्ट जंप किया ना, उसके बाद मैंने फिर शॉर्ट को ही कम से कम मैंने 6-7 बार उसी को पढ़ा, और उसके बाद फिर अपना क्यूआरएस मैंने मतलब लाइक ऐसे ना कि कम पढ़ो लेकिन बार-बार पढ़ो।
Right.
वही थ्योरी मैंने अप्लाई की। एंड जैसे कि मैंने टीएनडी के अलावा ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन तो नहीं किए, लेकिन मैंने नीट पीजी के क्वेश्चन पीवाईक्यू जो थे ना, वो
Mhm.
सारे किए थे। एंड एक मैरो का लास्ट में नेशनल मॉक टेस्ट आया था,
Mhm.
तो उसको मैंने अच्छे से लाइक एक्सप्लेनेशंस एंड आंसर उसके अच्छे से करके गई थी उसका। तो इतना ही किया था मैंने सर।
Great. Dr. Manisha, क्या plans as well? How did you cope up these? What was the plan? First reading, revisions, MCQs.
So firstly, I completed my entire first revision along with the TND. And the second revision which I did, I was all the TND questions and along with the notes which I had. And third revision, I completed only notes. And in the last week, I did only the TND and QRS. QRS, I started, I think from 15th of July, I started QRS and did till 25th. QRS and TND along with that. And last week, I only did TND and QRS. And sir, for MCQ, as you said that for MCQ we should be specific, so I did FMG solutions. I did all the PYQs of FMG and NEET PG, and 1 year of AIMS I did INICT. Just that's all. Except that I didn't did much of the MCQ. That's all was my strategy, and I did the TND questions again and again. I think I revised 4 times TND questions. That was. And QRS I did, sir, QRS I did religiously. I studied that, as even if I'm sleeping I was doing that. Okay, I should do that, so I did QRS very nicely many times.
Nice. That's
I
great to
would
hear.
like to add to this too. I'm what QRS. QRS literally tore into pieces because last time, like, it is something you should not underestimate. And I also remember one of your advice where you said कि गौतम नगर में चाय वाले भी आपको advice देने लगेंगे कहाँ से पढ़ना है कहाँ से नहीं. Don't listen to all of that's going on in the market. Like, follow the books religiously. It really helped me. And had I been a little calm with my nerves, I could have scored more with all that was given to me. The material given to me was really enough. And QRS is a game changer, especially like I remember I came to class for 2 days and then I had gastroenteritis. I was lying on the bed with a cannula with antibiotics, and I was like watching you doing QRS, and you were giving all the advices, and you constantly repeat, as Bhumika said and Manisha said, like, you have to imagine your parents, do it for those two faces. And I think this will go with us, like, with all of your students till the very end of this entire journey. That is something. और एक और बात you always say, I was also telling my mom, I was like, ओंकार सर हमेशा बोलते हैं कि जब पेशेंट सामने होगा और अगर तुम्हारे पैर कांप गए तो कोई फायदा नहीं है इस सब का. So उस दिन पैर नहीं कांपने चाहिए. So that is something like really that motivates us.
My pleasure completely. So now my last question to you would be your final piece of advice, basically, like what difference that you should do in your preparation, because definitely a common guidance that everybody gets from everywhere, irrespective of the coaching, irrespective of the platforms, a common guidance everybody gets. But what special thing that you have did in your preparations which have helped you and you would like the upcoming aspirants to follow? Let's start with Dr. Bhumika.
सर एक स्पेशल एडवाइस लाइक यही बोलूँगी कि जितना मतलब थोड़ा-सा पढ़ो, लेकिन उसको बार-बार पढ़ो। बार-बार मतलब लाइक ये कर लिया, अच्छा इस इधर भी आया है, जैसे मार्केट में अपने पास तो बहुत सारा मटेरियल रहता है। कभी यूट्यूब पे कुछ आता रहता है, कभी कोई मतलब कुछ नया-नया आता ही रहता है। तो सब पे मत जाओ। जो एक पढ़ा, एक सोर्स करो, अभी स्टार्टिंग में करो और उसी को आखिरी तक वही फॉलो करो। जैसे आपने मुझे भी बोला था, स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला था कि एक लिस्ट बना, सारे सब्जेक्ट लिख, सारे टीचर्स लिख और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग सब पढ़। फिर से चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए वो। तो बस वही एक एडवाइस रहेगी। और क्वेश्चन, स्पेशली नीट पीजी के पीवाईक्यूज। या
That's the best advice I feel. Dr. Ishwaki, what is your advice?
I think so. One advice is like if they all listen to your the first day orientation, they don't need any more advices. But I don't have my book right now. I'm home. On my surgery workbook, I have written a big R and your typical revise, repeat, retain. I think that's the key. Again, as she said, चाहे 4 पेजेस हो बट इफ यू हैव नॉट you were the one who said right कि अगर एक बार पढ़ोगे तो कभी याद नहीं होगा and I came and asked you sir your book is like almost 240 pages how do you remember and you are like the number of times I've taught is it the key to remember so keep revising again and again and when you revise when you practice then when you are sitting in front of the screen no matter how anxious you are वो आ ही जाएगा क्योंकि it is settled in your long term memory but अगर हाँ वो एक बार पढ़ के चले जाते हैं तो फिर नहीं आ पाता so that's that. So revision is the key and MCQs again are a game changer, as I said.
That's true. That's true. Revision is surely the key. Thank you for that advice. Dr. Manisha, what is your final piece of advice?
So I would just say that already Bhumika and Ishbaki said a lot. I just want to say that you should study consistently and like every day you should study no matter like how bad your day is. If you cannot do anything, just do MCQ at least like 50 MCQs. If not 50, do 25, but that will be like okay, you did something. At least at the end of the day it will add something to your day and you will like not regret just for that regret thing. And I would say that yeah, QRS and everything is helpful, but it is only helpful if you study consistently. Means every day if you are studying, yes, QRS will be like everything for you, but you should know everything beforehand. QRS was everything for me because I knew the TND, I knew that's how sir is teaching, I knew what next point sir can say, I knew everything about him. That's why I knew that how it's going to be. So like please study consistently, then at last you can combine everything together and then it will be just easy for you. Just while studying, don't think that it's too much, बहुत ज़्यादा है, हम कैसे करेंगे. At end you will be able to go through it. Just that's all.
That's true. That's true. So as you rightly pointed out, definitely that you have to study diligently and you have to be consistent. Without that, definitely nothing is going to help. No revisions, nothing. Great, great. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you all. Congratulations to you all once again, and convey my wishes to your families as well. And all the very best for all your future endeavors that you are going to undertake on behalf of Team EFMG. Again, congratulations. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so
sir.
much. Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for everything you do. And I have to admit, you are one teacher. No matter, I can't even imagine कि आपको कितने message आते होंगे दिन में, but you make it a point to answer. I have seen your replies, which are like at morning 3, and I would wake up in the morning and be like, Omkar sir ने reply भी कर दिया, and it like you're somebody like coming from, as I told you, I was preparing for steps, so I was always among those teachers of Kaplan like Dr. David Stone and Hussein Sattar from Pathoma, and I was with all those teachers. But when I saw your surgery, I think I should not say this publicly, but like best teacher so far, like online offline everywhere. So कंसेप्ट क्योंकि उन टीचर्स को कोई फायदा नहीं होता जो इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दे सब्जेक्ट को कि आपको खुद ही समझना है. And the way you explain, like sometimes you explain it like अरे वो पता है ना ऐसे होता है, वो ही है बस. And that is, it just sticks. So thank you so much for the whole support, like your journey to AFMG, to everybody, Mahesh sir. Random unnecessary messages का भी आप लोग reply कर रहे हो बिना irritate हुए. Just so thankful. Thank you very much.
As it is all us.
और सर मेरे